We'll guide you through how to create a Dropbox account and start using it on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website by typing dropbox.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Sign up for free. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a registration page. Here, you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong by including a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. You'll also need to agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. After filling out all the fields, click the Create Account button. If you prefer, you can sign up using your Google account by clicking the Sign up with Google button instead. This method skips the manual entry of your details and uses your Google credentials instead. Once your account is created, Dropbox will guide you through a quick setup process. You'll be asked if you want to download the Dropbox app to your computer. This app makes it easier to sync and access your files directly from your desktop. If you choose to download it, follow the on-screen instructions for installation. After installation, you'll find a Dropbox folder on your computer where you can drag and drop files to upload them to your Dropbox cloud storage. You can also create new folders to better organize your files. If you're not downloading the app right away, you can still upload files directly through the website by clicking the Upload button in the top right corner. This button allows you to select files from your computer to upload to Dropbox. Once your files are uploaded, you can access them from any device by logging into your Dropbox account on the website. And that's it. You've successfully created a Dropbox account and learned how to start using it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.